Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix TikTok dark mode option not showing. And here's how it is done. Open TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping on the icon at the bottom right. Tap the three lines at the top right and select settings and privacy. Clear cache. If you don't see the dark mode option, go to your home screen and long press the TikTok app icon. Tap on clear cache if available. Open your phone's settings app, find TikTok, and make sure permissions are enabled for all necessary options. Go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Search for TikTok and update the app if a new version is available. Open the TikTok app again, go to Settings and Privacy, and look under Content and Display. Tap on Display and select Dark Mode. If you have an iPhone, ensure the appearance setting is set to dark. You can also enable Use Device Settings under TikTok's dark mode options to sync with your device appearance. After following these steps, the dark mode should be available and enabled on TikTok. If you still encounter issues, it is likely due to regional restrictions or app version limitations. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix TikTok dark mode option not showing. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.